Eugene.
Hi, Cathy. Not too bad, huh?
So tell me about the Amberley.
So, very excited about it. 270 units, a really nice mix of layouts between studios and 3 bedrooms, great smart floor plans, excellent and gorgeous finishes. It's just a beautiful building.
Hi, I'm Julia Hoagland with Compass. Welcome to 40 West 55th Street. Please join me inside.
Hi, I'm Scott Harris from Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to the Bromley Apartment 9L. Why don't we have a look?
As you know, we love to renovate. Design Recipes provides extensive brand integration, allowing brands to be showcased through actual renovation projects. Brands such as Lowe's, Dimension One, Blanco, Bosch.
You don't necessarily have to have pink for a girl's room and blue for a boy's room. So using citrus colors is really gender neutral. And we're talking about oranges, yellows, and greens. And so my Design Recipes takeaway tip is to use citrus colors in a children's bedroom.
In the master bedroom, we blended a mix of warm tones with lots of texture, pairing neutral bedding with a braided pillow along with an eye-catching patterned fabric.
A great Design Recipes takeaway tip is to define your space using light.
Hospitality and travel brands enjoy featured segments showcasing a destination on location. There is no limit to where we go, from Vietnam to Croatia and beyond. We are your passport to great design and integrated branding to put your destination on the map.